When your customer's car fails to start, it's easy to assume that the problem lies with the starter motor. But before jumping to conclusions and replacing the starter, it's essential to consider a critical but often overlooked factor: bad connections. Here are some potential signs of trouble. Intermittent starting. It takes multiple presses of the start button or turns of the ignition to get the engine to start. Now, this could be caused by a faulty starter relay, which either sends the full electrical current to the starter or nothing at all. Warning lights. If you see the dashboard warning lights illuminate, but the engine doesn't crank, it could be that some electrical power is reaching the car, but it isn't enough to engage the starter. Slow cranking. If the engine cranks slowly, it means the starter is struggling to turn the engine over. This can be due to a weak starter motor or a problem with the battery or connections. Smoke could be a sign that too much power is being drawn from the battery to the starter, which could be caused by a connection problem. Addressing connection issues early helps ensure that any starter replacement or repair is effective and that you avoid unnecessary repairs or replacements. If you've checked the connections for the starter and they're good, but the issues have not gone away, it's time to look for a replacement. B-Pro Auto offers a budget-friendly option to the OE and has been tested to high standards. Learn more at bproautoparts.com.